today's episode of MotoCheez.
Maybe you can hire
The M Team.
The following movie is rated
I.
Let's go to Mount Tom State Park. Never been there, Atari. Hope that starting problem doesn't come back. It says a stop, but there's no one in there. Never been in here.
Me either. Tower Trail.
Tower Trail. That's what we want to do. We taking water?
Yeah.
One.
There's no signal, so.
No signal. Where's that trail go?
I don't know.
It didn't say no motor vehicles, did it?
There's no sign on this. Connecticut. It's a good job, Connecticut.
It's got to be that way. I don't know. Guess we'll look.
Not that far.
Wonder where that went. I wonder what that is over there. It's like a field. I don't know. There's something there. Maybe a picnic table?
Yeah, it's probably like a group
Oh yeah, picnic tables.
spot. Yeah. The stairs.
Old foundation of something. Should have took the metal detector. Maybe it was a ranger house. Yeah, I guess that other trail was the way to go. But this is heading toward that trail, so
That loops around.
it looks like it cuts across. How you doing? It shows the other trail is that way. It's a hilly climb. The trail's that way, but there's no trail going that way. I guess we got to go this way. We took the expert trail because we're experts.
Oh. Never know that.
Neither did I. Oh, this looks like a path heavily beaten compared to what we did. It's got markers. Now we're on a trail. At least it's not like that place out west where you went down, then had to hike your way back up, where the waterfalls were.
Ah,
Mini truck would have made it. Almost there. Right up over yonder. There it is.
Oh, where's the big field it showed?
Must be right in front of it. Yeah. Reminds me of a lighthouse. Almost there. Watch your head. Oh yeah, you gotta watch your head. And your back. Wow. What's that, about 20, 25 feet?
No idea.
Good bird.
Oh. What are you guys doing?
Yeah. Look like a turkey vulture.
For information or to report damage, write mount time 1863 to 1981.
Someone left their water.
Okay, that was nice.
We got enough rocks on our property. Why don't you build us one of these?
I took a picture out that window too.
Did you? Oh yeah, it's probably a good one, huh? What's the name of that lake?
This is Mount Someway, isn't it?
I don't know. I thought it was named something different. Well, maybe it's 30 feet. Because these are about 10 apiece. Well, yeah, these are about 10 apiece. 10, 20, 30. Don't fall down. As soon as I say it, you almost did. That was probably, I don't think it was quite a mile. Just felt like it because it was uphill.
Yeah.
Maybe.
About a mile all around. You know.
Round trip, right? Yeah, it's probably half a mile up. check it out. Looks like it might be a lookout. Maybe in the fall. Too many trees. Or the winter. There's a little bit, but not much. How you doing? How are you? Going down's much easier. Yeah, that's the route you took that made us go wrong. Your fault. It's the same way. It's a shortcut. It loops. This way's a lot less rocky, huh? That's definitely the old trail. This gets washed out pretty good. I got a big red beacon in front of me. Your head.
Chipmunks, get out of here.
I know. Gizmo would have liked it. Except he would have chased all the chipmunks. Like that black squirrel.
They would have just sat there.
Right.
Woodpecker?
Where?
Oh, do you hear that pecking?
Little chipmunk right there. The only hen pecking I get's from you.
Well,
That's the yellow trail we are on. Mini truck would have definitely made this trail. Have to make a ranger sticker for the side of it. We can keep the trails clear.
Which one?
I don't know. They're both marked the yellow trail, so if I had to guess, looks like they both go that way.
Signal.
This way. That must loop around or something. Less steep.
All washed out. I'm sure that's a little waterfall sometimes. You know where I haven't been and I haven't been since a kid?
What? Bashbish?
Yeah.
I was just thinking that. I haven't been to Bashbish in years. I remember walking up that.
What? Over the border in Mass.
Yeah, we've been by there a ton of times.
They got that huge state park up in Massachusetts on that whole western side. As soon as you cross over the Berkshires.
Yeah, Rigger. I've been through there
Really
too.
cool stuff up there if we ever
Mount Rigger, that was pretty cool.
wanted to, plan an overnight or something.
Yeah, I was looking for trails. There's really nothing there unless you go to a campsite. And I'm not about commercial camping. I'd rather do rough camping. Guess I'll have to get a hold of the gang and see. We were supposed to go, and then I never heard anything from anybody. Well, actually, Chris sold his mini truck, so I guess they could take the bikes. And Jeff had a good idea. He was looking at the pop-up that goes on a Jeep. He's like, why don't you just put that in the bed of the mini truck? I'm like, yeah. When I reviewed it, I put it in the bed of the mini truck. That's a good idea. It fits in there pretty good.
Huh.
Right? Yeah, look, this is where we came.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, there's a sign. Does it say something? Faded.
It says faded.
CLES. V bicycles.
This isn't where we were.
Yeah, it is.
No.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, because we looked and I saw that rock, and I was like, well, where's the trail go?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Is that the camping spot?
Yep. How you doing? Going all the way up?
We'll see. Yeah. How is it up there?
Don't take the
It's
left.
nice.
Don't go left, okay?
Yeah, because when you get to the fork, you don't know whether to go to the left or to the right. Go to the right. The left is like a longer.
It's the challenge route.
And there's a lot more.
Right. Yeah.
We just didn't. It's pretty steep and.
Yeah, we were just talking about how.
So you've been up there?
Well, it's been a while.
It's been a while.
A couple of years, probably.
Oh.
Yeah.
Quite a few.
We've lived around here and never been up to the tower.
Oh no.
No, first time.
Yeah, you must have had a great view.
Enjoy.
Yeah,
Enjoy.
Thanks for the advice. Appreciate it.
Yep.
Oh, you probably already knew though. You've been here.
We would have got no. It's really.
Oh, it's been so long.
Go up there, it's like.
Yeah, and when you have kids, you're distracted by what they're doing.
Yeah, and there's no signage anymore, so I was like, oh, this way.
I didn't bring my bicycle.
No.
Oh, that'd be something on a bike. Still got warm in here, even with a nice job. Oh, back to that again, huh? That's so weird. It was so good for so long. I kind of had to, because it was big rocks. Oh, they're doing diving training. Yeah, definitely for diving.
Town training event.
We could have had a cookout if we brought hot dogs and stuff. And if we had friends.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.